Hi guys, so I've been using Minea for some months now, and in this review video, I'm going to walk you guys through on everything you need to know about Minea. I'm going to walk you guys through the pros, which are the good sides of it, okay? I'm going to walk you guys through the cons, which are the bad sides, and I'm going to share my personal experience to you guys. After which I'm going to share the results that I've actually gotten from one of the dropshipping stores that I've been using with the help of this Minea. I'm going to show you guys how much that I've actually earned with the help of this Minea. And after I'm done showing you guys all these things, you will be able to make an informed decision on whether or not Minea is something that you would like to use. But before that, if after watching this video you've seen everything that I'm actually going to show you in this video and you decide that you want to use this very Minea, what I recommend you do here is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video, okay? I'm going to be dropping that link, and that link is actually going to serve as a coupon link, okay? You're going to use that link and secure yourself some discount. It's going to be down below in the description and also in the comment section. And now that I've talked about that, please don't forget to leave me a like in this video if you found this video very useful and helpful. If you're able to have any question pertaining to this Minea, leave me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to answer all the questions, okay? So let's get started. So now that I've mentioned all these things, I'm going to get this review started. But before I start this review, I'm going to just do a brief explanation of what this Minea is. For those of you who doesn't really understand what it is and what it does, okay? Or for those of you who are hearing this Minea for the first time. So basically, Minea is a powerful spy tool designed to help e-commerce businesses identify winning products and develop effective advertising strategies. It also enables you to track trending products, analyze your competitors' ads, and find reliable suppliers for your dropshipping business. So that's exactly what Minea is. That's what it does. It helps you find some winning products, some trending products, and make you be on the top scale to be able to earn lots of money. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys exactly how much that I've actually made with the help of this Minea on one of my dropshipping stores. So now that I've talked about that, I'm going to now move on to talking about the pros and the cons, okay? Which are the things that I liked about this very Minea, and I feel like you also might like it. And I'm also going to talk about the cons, which are the things that I don't really like, and I feel like you also might not like it. So for the pros, the first thing that I would love to mention here as the pro that comes with using this very Minea is what we call product research, okay? Minea helps you find trending products that you're actually going to advertise, market on your e-commerce business and make lots of sales, okay? Minea has actually helped me find trending products, viral products, okay? It helps me find products that people are actually demanding on the market. I used it, I advertised it, and I make my money, okay? That's one of the things that Minea is actually going to do for you. It helps you find the trending products that you're going to use to do your business, okay? And now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list here that I have to mention here that comes with using this Minea is the fact that they have a very good customer support services, okay? I love how their customer support operates. I love how responsive they are. If you happen to have any question, reach out to them and they're going to solve it for you, okay? And that's something that I would love to mention here that Minea has. So now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list here that I have to mention here is the fact that Minea is safe. Minea is a legit site, okay? If you've actually used all of these fake sites, you're going to notice that they keep on updating their app, sending you email that their app is going to be updated, this and that, which will make you frustrated and which will make you to actually lose some data, okay? But that of Minea, I've been using Minea for up to 6 months now and I haven't experienced anything like that. My account is still very intact and active and I'm making my money out of it. And now that I've talked about that, another thing that I would love to mention here that prove that these guys are actually safe and secure is what we call Trustpilot, okay? If you guys doesn't know what Trustpilot is a site where people actually go to leave reviews on products or softwares that they've actually used, okay? If you go to Trustpilot, you're going to be seeing lots of people saying good things about this Minea. Up here on the screen are some of the reviews that people have actually said about this Minea on Trustpilot. You can go there and find some of it, okay? So now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list here that I have to mention here is the fact that this Minea has large database, okay? It has the database of your Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and others, okay? And that's actually going to make you to have edge over others. You're going to get the data of all these, and you're going to know which one you're going to follow, what product that you're going to advertise, or what product that you're going to market, and other things that are actually involved in it, okay? And now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list that I have to mention here is the fact that it's beginner friendly, okay? It has a very friendly user interface. the interface, the dashboard, everything about the site is easier for you to understand, even if you're a beginner. Okay, if you're a beginner and you don't know much about dropshipping or AdSpy2 or Minea, if you go to the site, you're going to quite understand everything. And that's me here telling you, because the time I actually started, Minea was a new site to me, but when I entered there, I find everything interesting, I find everything understandable. Okay, and that's me here telling you that these guys are actually good. They have a very, very friendly user interface, and apart from that, they have a free trial. Okay, they have a free trial and no commitment is involved, meaning that you don't have to put your credit card in order for you to be on the free trial. And that's something that I loved about these sites. Okay, and the last but not the least pro on my list here that I have to mention here is the fact that it's affordable. Okay, it's affordable compared to other spy too that you're going to use for your dropshipping. Minea pricing is very, very affordable. Okay, and I believe that you can actually afford it. And if you can't afford it, try to afford it, because it saves you some time. It saves you a lot of time to start racking your brain and other things. And that's something that I would love to mention here. So all these things that I've mentioned here are some of the pros that I've actually discovered. There are yet more to discover, and I'm still going to update you guys on this review. Okay, so now that I've talked about the pro, I'm going to now move on to talking about the cons, which are the things that I don't really like about this Minea, and I'm going to mention it here. Okay, so the first thing that I don't really like about this Minea, which is the con on my list here, is the fact that it's only meant for single users. Okay, it's only built for single users. You don't have to share logins with other people, and that's something that I don't really like, because if you're someone that owns or employs people and you want them to actually log into their account and do other things, it means that if they log in, you're going to be logged out, and that it doesn't make sense. Okay, it's only built for single users. If you want another person to actually work on your account or work on something for you, it means you're going to pay for another subscription, open another new account. And that's something that I don't really like about this very Minea. And aside that, the next one on my list is the fact that they don't have any guide nor tutorial video on the site that is actually going to walk you through on everything you need to know. But that's me here telling you everything that you need to know about this very Minea. Okay, so you don't have to panic. I'm here actually enlightening you on things you need to know. So the last but not the least con that I need to mention here, and all of these dropshipping sites actually suffers from it, is the fact that there are some fakes out there. Okay, so sites like Minea and other big sites like AutoDS and CJS Dropshipping, there are some scammers that actually build some similar sites, and they're going to be using it to scam some people, which is not actually that good. Okay, I don't support that. So what you need to do here, if you want to be on the safer side, is for you to actually go to your browser, whether Google, Chrome, Safari, search for www.minea.com, and you're going to go there. Or if you want it to be on a safer side or much easier for you, use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below the description of this video. Okay, that's the link to the official website. Use that link, and with that link also, you're going to get it at a discounted price. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, I'm going to now share my personal experience to you guys, after which I'm going to show you guys the results of how much that I've actually made from one of my dropshipping stores with the help of this Minea. So about my personal experience, I first came in contact with Minea here on YouTube. Okay, I saw the advertisement saying so and so there are some AdSpy2, then, and I need it at that time, just as you're watching my video, because you actually need it and you're skeptical as to whether or not it's the best tool for you. Okay, that's the same thing that I did. So I need to do my research. I did my deeper research, over the top research, and after all said and done, I was convinced enough. I decided to pay for the subscription, and this is the 6 months of me using this very Minea, and I'm booming. I'm making lots of money out of it. So up here on the screen is my results. That's the results that I've actually gotten with the help of this Minea. Okay, you're going to see here that I've made a lot of money, and I'm still making money every day by day. Okay, and that's me here telling you that Minea works. Okay, so when it comes to my final recommendation, when it comes to whether or not Minea works and Minea is actually going to help you, Minea works. It works 100%, and I recommend it to you guys. Okay, they deliver. They help you find the trending products. They give you a very large database that you're actually going to use to compare and contrast. Okay, so now that I've talked about this, if after watching this video, seeing everything that I've actually showed you here, and you decide you want to use this Minea, what I recommend you do is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video, as I said earlier. Okay, use the link that I'm going to be dropping also in the comment section. The link is actually going to help you go to the official website without you experiencing anything like scammers, and also you securing some discount. So now that I've talked about that, if you found this video very useful and helpful, do leave me a like in this video, and I'm going to appreciate that. Okay, if you happen to have any question, leave me a question down below in the comment section, and I'm going to answer all the questions pertaining to this Minea and other things, or other things you want me to do a video of. Okay guys, do have a nice day. Okay, peace out.